Hello, friends. M&C Education welcomes you in its program GK and Current Affairs. This program is one liner on GK and Current Affairs. First question for today is Bathynomus raksasa is the name of the 14-legged sea cockroach recently discovered by researchers in which ocean? Answer is Indian Ocean. What did William Kirk English and Douglas Engelbart invent while working at SRI International's Augmentation Research Center? Answer is computer mouse. Third question is IIM Sirmaur recently started the academic session 2020 online with a virtual inauguration. Which state is IIM Sirmaur in? Answer is Himachal Pradesh. Fourth question is Lee Teng-hui, who recently passed away, was the first democratically elected president of which country? Answer is Taiwan. Fifth question is National Gallery of Modern Art recently organized a virtual tour to commemorate the 150th birth anniversary of which Indian artist Abhindranath Tagore? Sixth question is August 6, 2020 was the 75th anniversary of which famous events? Answer is atomic bombing of Hiroshima. Seventh question is who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly formed to write the Constitution of India? Answer is B.R. Ambedkar. Eighth question is youth engagement for global action was the 2020 theme for which observance on 12th August? Answer is International Youth Day. Ninth question for today is the recently released book Connecting, Communicating, Changing Chronicles, whose third year in office? Answer is Venkaiah Naidu. 10th question is Colin Morikawa recently became the first person since Keegan Bradley to win which tournament in his first appearance in the event? Answer is PGA Championship. 11th question is which famous CEO born on August 19th in Hyderabad is one of the authors of the book Hit Refresh? Answer is Satya Nadella. 12th question is the poet Rahat Qureshi, who recently passed away, was known by a name which reflected the city in which he was born. Which city was it? Answer is Indore. 13th question is name the Indian file sharing app developed by Ashfaq Mahmood Chaudhry, a 17-year-old boy from Kashmir. Answer is Dodo Drop. 14th question is on which famous sportsperson's birthday National Sports Day is celebrated in India on 29th August every year? Answer is Major Dhyan Chand. 15th question is the year that famous chemist C.N.R. Rao got the Bharat Ratna. Which sportsperson also received the honor? Answer is Sachin Tendulkar. 16th question is the famous sportswoman Monica Batra won a Commonwealth Games gold medal in women's singles in table tennis in which year? Answer is 2018. 17th question is an Indian features in the list of top 10 scorers of all time in international football. Name the Indian. Answer is Sunil Chhetri. 18th question is which actress has played the role of MC Mary Kom on screen in a biopic? Answer is Priyanka Chopra. 19th Ibrahim Al-Qaji, who recently passed away, was the director of which of these institutions for 15 years? Answer is National School of Drama. 20th question is Ramnik Lal Ambani passed away recently. What brand of Reliance is named after his son? Answer is Vimal. 21st. What cargo did a special parcel train from South Central Railway recently carry from Guntur in Andhra Pradesh to Benapole in Bangladesh? Answer is red chilies. 22nd July 31st is the 25th anniversary of the first dash that took place in India in 1995. Answer is mobile call. 23rd question is which city now has the reputation of being an Olympic host who has had to postpone the games twice? Answer is Tokyo. 24th who was the first guest in the much published show the Michelle Obama podcast? Answer is Barack Obama. 25th question and the last question for today's session is which famous movement began on 8th August at Gowalia Tank Maidan? A day is also observed in honor of the movement. Answer is Quit India movement. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed it, please like this video, share it with your friend and subscribe M&C Education. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe M&C Education.